I don't know what to do with my hair today, you guys, but all I know is my bun is getting bigger and bigger, which means our hair is growing. So what's good? Welcome back. It's your girl, Kayla Lashae. Today, I'm so excited, you guys. I feel like every time I pop in with a new video, I'm just so excited to get into the topic. But you guys, I have a couple of addictions. Have you guys noticed? Skims is by far top tier. So I placed several orders. I actually have 2 more orders coming in, so stay tuned for my review on the Skims Swim. Can't wait to get my hands on those pieces because the weather is warming up and it's just perfect timing. But today I ordered stuff from their Twist collection, so we're gonna get into that in this video. I've never tried any of that stuff before, and of course I also ordered some basics from the website that I wanted to try and test out and give you guys my honest thoughts, unsponsored. So of course I'm wearing Skims. I got my Ana Luisa jewelry on to kind of jazz it up a little bit because this is like lounge wear and I just love a little bit of shimmer. So let's get into, I guess, this first package. And what happens with me and Skims, it's just all a trap. Okay, I'll go on the website, put stuff in my cart, check out, and then I go back on the website 10 minutes later, put more things in my cart, and check out again. Like, it makes me feel less bad placing 2 orders versus 1 really big order and I have to see that big payment. Girl, I love Skims packaging. I like how minimal it is, the neutrals, like all of it just makes me so excited and it makes me feel like I'm getting a little bit of luxury. And I do like Skims for the fact that they have basics and essentials that is my style, so I feel like it is worth spending and splurging on. So of course everything comes in these recyclable packages. Ooh, girl, they stuffed this box, didn't they? So let's just dive in. I know I got some sets and stuff, so I guess we'll just find them as we go. So the Twist collection, I feel like, came out a little bit ago, but I never see the girlies wearing the Twist collection. Maybe because Skims comes out with new collections and drops all the time that, I don't know, people just want to get other things. But this collection looked like the ultimate loungewear. I don't know about the photos. I didn't know if it was going to be sheer, thin, see-through, so I wasn't really sure what the material was like. But looking at these undies, these I think are the bikini ones. I got everything in a size small. They're very thick. I wanted to wear these around the house, like with a baggy t-shirt or something like that for like sleepwear. And I wouldn't really wear these under like actual clothes because it's Twist. So it's very bulky. But it looked so good on Kim. Like, this is just giving, I'm waking up in the morning, going downstairs, making my whipped coffee, like very much so that energy. And I liked the colors. I do wish they come out with like more shades in the future. So I'll try these on and see how I like it. I know I got a top in here somewhere to go along with it. So I'll link all of this stuff down below in the description box so you guys can check this collection out. And it's pretty much all in stock. The black stuff, not so much, but the cream color, yes. So this is this the Twist tank top? So it's very full coverage in the back, and then it's very like deep cut in the front. And I saw some people wearing it backwards. So this was in the back and that was the front, so I kind of want to try that to see how I like it. And it's a nice stretchy material, just like their cotton t-shirts like these if you have them. So it is nice quality. I wouldn't wear a bra, I don't think, under this, but for the try on, nah, we'll try it out how we try it on and see how it looks. But I really like this with like the undies. I feel like could be a vibe, or even just wearing this with some sweatpants. So very versatile. I feel like this could be worn in the house or outside the house. So I thought that'd be a look. Next up, I got another tank top in the heather gray, because if I feel like I'm gonna like something, y'all, I gotta get it in all the options. And I feel like this would be a good basic. And I have some other Skims stuff in like gray, so I thought this would be nice. I really like the cut of this like Twist top. It just elevates such a basic. And to go with that, I grabbed the Bikini Bottoms. Also in a size small. They did a thong version of this, but I felt like I would want more full coverage if I'm just going to be sleeping in it. And it looks pretty cheeky anyway. and it's very thick. I'm just interested to see how comfy like the twist bits are, but it is very, very stretchy. and it seems like nice full coverage in the front. So I got all of them. I mean, you need a black, right? This with like a boyfriend t-shirt, like that was giving the energy for me. This is so cute. Let's see how stretchy. Yeah, she's stretchy, you guys. So you could probably be in between, like go up or go down. Probably go down because it is so stretched. And then the last item, oh, I got a bralette in Snoot or Suit. I don't know why I keep saying Snoot. There's no N, Suit. And wow, this looks tiny. This is a small. I don't know about this one, you guys. I thought this would be cute. I have a lot of her like folded pants. I thought this would go really nicely with that, but also just wearing under other clothing. It does have the twist detail, so it might look a little bulky under like a fitted tee like this. So I'm not sure how that would look, but even like a going out top, I feel like this would be super cute. Like very versatile vibes, but mostly picked it up for loungewear. So I'm hoping, oh yeah, she's stretchy. And she's double lined as well. So you should be good with see-throughness, and it has adjustable straps, which I love to see that. So hopefully this fits. And then that was everything in the first order, you guys. And obviously I went back on the site and got some other things. So we'll get into this box. I already kind of busted it open. I was so excited. So I also got the bralette in the cream color because I just love this. This also looks pretty, like not even sheer. Like it's double lined, super stretchy, so I wouldn't have any issues wearing this. I just like it looks so nice on my skin tone. Come here. Now this is the item I was the most excited about. I wish I could have grabbed it in the gray because I felt like, oh my gosh, it's all white, gonna be hard to keep that thing clean, but also is it gonna be sheer and see-through? I don't know, but we're gonna find out in this video. I love Skims pants, you guys. I feel like I love the Skims folded pants. I'll link them below. I wear them all the time. I have on like the ribbed boxers right now. These are like the most, I feel like, common pieces to get, and I just feel like this is so much better. Like, I don't know, I just love a lounge pant, especially when I'm at home. So I figured these would be just like the folded pants, just not ribbed, and that's exactly what these are. They are not double lined, so it's a lot more sheer, but the folded over band is pretty thick. So these are size small, so it goes down into like a flare almost, and it's a stunning like cream color. So again, like this with either the tank top or the bralette would be such a cute look for at home. I don't really think I would ever wear these out the house because girl, they would be so dirty. Like I just cannot do it. And it does have like a hem at the bottom, so we'll see what these look like and if they're giving like cute vibes, you know. I have high hopes for these pants, I really do. So I will let you guys know about the sizing, although I feel like her pants for me are true to size, so go with that. Overpriced underwear is basically what I decided to go ahead and pick up. These were 3 for $36. I guess that's like what Victoria's Secret is selling for. So I got the Fits Everybody thong bottoms, and I'm so annoyed. This has happened to me before. Let me know if this has ever happened to any of you dolls. But I checked out my order, put everything size small in my cart, paid whatever, and I got my confirmation email, and it said that I ordered an extra small for one of the undies. I said no, I would never do that. What the heck? So I tried to email customer service. They said we don't do exchanges, can't update your order, but we can do return for you. So I said okay, from what I know, these are going to be like super duper stretchy, so maybe they'll fit me. So I guess this is good. I can give you guys size comparison from an extra small to a small, because look at this. I did try them on, they fit. So you could honestly be like a medium, and I feel like you could order an extra small and it's gonna fit nice. So I got them in a couple of the nudes. I got all different nude shades, which I really love these like neutrals. Like they're very subtle of the differences, but wow, do I love them. So the, what is this? This is the small. That's the small. This is the extra small. They look the same, honestly, when you hold these things up. I mean, yeah, I mean, they just stretch, so it's nice. And then this is the small. they look the same, right? So I'm not going to return them because they're very comfortable. I will say they're not fully seamless, so I will not be wearing these underneath like my Outfully Amplify leggings because you can totally see this like stitch detail. But these are still nice to wear underneath like your other Skims loungewear and anything else going out and about. I just wouldn't recommend these for seamless leggings if you're going to the gym because you would totally see that whole freaking outline of them. But I really like these so far. I'm not going to be trying these on, but trust me when I say it is definitely worth it, and I will be picking up some more, especially like black and more neutrals and stuff as well, to stock up in this style. And I do want to try out her other undie styles, so let me know if you guys have ever tried them. It's my first time. Let me know which style you guys like the best. I think I want to try the T-string or whatever, so I'll drop a link for these in the description box. And then I also snagged a couple of bodysuits because duh, we need some more bodysuits. This one is in the shade Army Green, and this is the seamless, what is this? This is newer. I already opened everything up previously for you guys, but I'll link it down below. When I first opened this up, I said, what is this? Because it's very boxy on the sides. I felt like this is going to be baggy on my waist. This is going to give me SpongeBob SquarePants. This is a size small, and it does have a thong bottom and no clasps, okay? No clasps to get it in. So if you have to go to the bathroom, girl, pull it to the side, okay? Pull it to the side. So that was like the major differences from all the other Skims bodysuits. And this material, super stretchy, very, very delicate. Like this is the type of material that can snag easily, and I would never recommend putting any of this stuff in the dryer. So super delicate material, but so soft and like a slinky feel. I love the color. Like this is such a basic, could go with literally anything, and it is higher cut in the front, lower cut in the back. But when I tried this on, you guys, it hugged my body like perfectly. Like it was made and sculpted for my body. It didn't give me that boxy look. It didn't give me any excess material. Like I really like this. It's just very delicate, so keep that in mind. And they have a couple of other colors for that. And then the last item I picked up was, of course, another bodysuit. This is one of my favorite cuts. It's the scoop neck, and they do like the small / medium size. And I got this in the bone shade, which is like, I think it's giving like off-white vibes. Oh wow, it looks more like gray white. It's not a true white, but I love this fit. Like again, very kind of boxy, but this one has like the regular bottom, so keep that in mind if you don't like lines. This one does have the clasp closure in the front. I have this in like the cocoa color and then black. Such good staple, and I don't wear a bra with it, and I still feel like very comfy. But with this lighter shade, I don't know, it's giving so we'll see. But I really love these basic bodysuits. That's why I love Skims. I think it's great to invest in basics like this that you could literally reach for and style a million different ways versus super trendy pieces that are overpriced or not such good quality. Again, don't put these in the dryer. This is a much more durable material versus that last bodysuit. So if you want something that you can kind of be a little bit more carefree about, definitely go for the scoop neck. I love the Skims bodysuits. So I definitely recommend picking up at least one in like a neutral shade. They have a million. Get one in like your skin tone, get like black. Like I have like all the black bodysuits because I love them and reach for them the most, but I felt like this would be nice for the spring to kind of brighten up my wardrobe. These I would say true to size, it is small / medium, so go with the like the smallest size that you are. I would not recommend really sizing up because again, they stretch with you. So that is everything that I picked up from Skims this time around. Got some really cute pieces that I can't wait to rock in style around the house for loungewear, and also just wearing out and about for everyday essentials. Thumbs up this video if you guys enjoy Skims as much as me, and thumbs up if you guys are ready for my Skims swim review, because I don't know what to expect. What is Kim gonna give us with that? So stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, and I will see you dolls in my next video very soon.